Ang ganap ko, huminto kayo, papatayin ko kayo. Mga putang ina ninyo. Yan ang totoo. Bitawan na natin. Total, Congress or wherever. We know the sanctity of the institution of Congress. But there is always a time to let go of your... At alam yan, puro alam ng pulis yan. Yan lahat na nakaupo dyan, yan, dumaan ng Davao yan, alam nila ang sentimento.
Thank you, Mr. President. Sabi niyo na po.
Can we excuse the President kung papahinga siya?
We suspend for a few minutes. So, ask questions of Colonel